Get excited about the 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo. With fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer, this car combines world-recognized style and capability with practicality and plenty of verve on the road. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.